Vehicle? Check out the 2020 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, front license plate bracket, four-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, Sirius satellite radio, heated front seats, tachometer, security alarm. Your new ride is just a phone call away.